My name is Kelsey Rainyard. I am a mother to 3 children, almost 10-year-old who I placed for adoption in 2016, a 5-year-old and a 1-month-old who are at home with me and I parent. So I grew up in the Midwest in northern Indiana in a very conservative Christian home. It was really hammered into our heads that safe sex is no sex. I was 22 when I found out I was pregnant with my first child, and all I really felt was this shame and a fear of disappointing my parents because that was the one thing we were supposed to do. And my solution was, don't worry, I'm going to do adoption, because I didn't have support. And so we called an adoption attorney in Indianapolis, and he came up and met with me. I was trying to convince myself that I wasn't going to be emotionally impacted by this, which was really insane thing to think. But I was also at that time like 23 years old, so I didn't really know. And when I remember they put my son on my chest after he was born, and it was so instant, like this overwhelming love that you've never felt before is just so intense. And I knew, it just hit me, this is like the point of no return. You can't go back from this. You can't unfeel that. I knew it wasn't gonna last forever, because I knew the next morning, 30 hours after I gave birth to him, the attorney shows up and has me sign my rights away. I just gave birth. All the feelings I had been avoiding, I had to cram it all in a very short period of time. And then on the 3rd day, the adoptive parents came and took him home, and that was it. And I went home and my milk was coming in. I had a body that was like longing to nurture this new life that had just spent 9 months growing, and there was nothing. I never got diagnosed with postpartum anything. I got 0 mental health support, not even a social worker like to walk me through the process. I should have had someone like that. I should have had someone really getting into the details, not just someone who was like, pick a family, sign these papers. What I wish for people going into pregnancy is personal agency, enough support and safety nets that they don't have to make incredibly hard decisions that come with a lifelong emotional toll. If I could wave a magic wand, that's what I would want for them.